Hello everyone. Today I want to share with you a simple yet effective recipe that will help strengthen your nails and keep them healthy. This recipe uses two natural ingredients, coconut oil and olive oil. To make this treatment, you'll need just a small bowl and a hair straightener or double boiler. Start by heating the two oils slightly in a double boiler or using a hair straightener until they reach a warm, comfortable temperature. Then dip your nails into the oil, ensuring that they are completely submerged. Keep your nails in the oil for about 10 to 15 minutes, allowing the oil to penetrate and nourish your nails. You can wear gloves if you want to, but I find that leaving the nails in the oil for at least 10 minutes is sufficient for effective treatment. After the 10 to 15 minutes are up, rinse your nails with warm, soapy water and gently pat them dry. This will help remove any residue from the oil. Repeat this process once or twice a week to see significant improvements in the strength and health of your nails. Nourishing your nails with coconut oil and olive oil will help keep them hydrated and from breaking easily. This treatment is particularly great for those who often experience brittle or split nails, but it's also beneficial for anyone looking to improve their overall nail health. In conclusion, by incorporating this simple recipe into your regular nail care routine, you'll be able to strengthen your nails and enjoy a healthier, more beautiful nail lineup. Give it a try and let me know how it works for you in the comments below. Happy nail care!